Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman. Today I'm going to show you that how can you fix this Cera Compass flush. So it is a Cera Compass flush, as you can see over here. Now first of all, there is a lid on the top of that, and it is a lock, as you can see over here, like these two buttons, like these two pins. You just need to push it hard inside and you can unlock this lid from the top, right? So you just push this a little bit very hard, and like as you can see, this has the lock pins, and you just need to take this out by pushing this locking pins. So these pins are on the both side, on the back also, and from this front side also, as you can see. Now on the top of that, there is a button like this. So this button, you need to first of all unscrew that. So I'm unscrewing this by rotating anti-clockwise, as you can see, and this is the button which I'm pressing now. You just need to unscrew this circular ring, not the button. So unscrew that circular ring, and as you can see, I have taken that button out, and in that way you can take the whole lid out from this flush. Now as you can see, it has a complex mechanism. Now I'm just turning the input water supply button on, and now this is the float. So this is the float arm which I need to push it down, and what happens, sometimes it's get damaged, or sometimes like due to the overflow, this float arms comes up and it will not go down when the water will fill. So don't push it up, pull it down, and after like pushing it down, what you need to do, the water will start filling, and as you can see, the water is coming in this flush, and that's how we have fixed this Cera Compass flush. Now be sure to see before putting this lid, all the mechanisms are intact within their overall limit. The lever are fine, the floating arm is fine, and as you can see over here, I just fix the lid with these lock pins out. Now this is the main critical part. You just need to fix this button in such a way that it will come inside that hole, as you can see, and now rotate it clockwise to make it screwed. So like it is, like I'm screwing that part to make it fixed, and as you can see, I can't rotate it now, so it has been fixed. And let's say how the flush is working. So yeah, as you can see, I just push the button, the flush is working nicely. So that's how you can fix this flush. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.